So let me talk to you a little bit about my man, Brian Beane. Brian Beane, let me tell you, is an excellent instructor. And let me tell you why. Brian Beane has a natural talent for making the complicated simple.
Yeah, Brian Beane's one of the best educators. I've been following him actually since about October, watching his videos, and just to get to see him in person and receive the educational experience of how to do this and how to be a better leader and a better educator has been hands down the best training I've gotten in the last 20 years.
Brian is absolutely amazing. He has this ability to take a complex subject and to bring it way down and make it very simple. He puts it in bite-sized nuggets where you can truly comprehend it. He makes it fun, he makes it enjoyable. I mean, we laugh, we have fun, but we are learning all the time. Like all of the exercises that we do, they build on top of each other. So the more you come, the more you learn, things just start to click.
Brian Beane is the epitome of a leader. His teaching style, he can make anything to where you can understand and grow from it, okay? So every time I come here, I learn and grow, and I elevate even higher in myself and in my business.
Brian Beane, man, that guy's amazing. Like, I mean, you can see him on the videos and listen to him on a phone call, but there's nothing like being there in person. The guy is a master teacher. The way he takes you and shows you exactly why you do what you do and why the business is so effective, why he's implemented the systems for us to be successful. I mean, just like he told us in there, all the tools you need to be successful in this business are already there. You just got to go out and use them.